So AUD card will look at the CPI data print that will be released on 21st for Canadian dollar and possibly see how that price action is going to affect the direction of movement. And price have come here in the month of August 2024 and rejected this floor, making it a strong demand floor. And we returned back in January and respected that structure. And the only pending supply roof, which is the resistance to upswing we have, will be at this level. And we'll be watching to see what price does at this level to see if we are going to get a break of structure on this level. So this is what we are watching and this is what we want to see. So let's look at how price reacts towards that level. And if we break out from this structure, then that will mean an opportunity to go high. But while we're looking at Canadian CPI, what will the data be like? Because at this roof, we are going high, where we expect maximum target if we're to go high on clear fundamental analysis to be within this zone. This is what we see technically. And we might ultimately, if we are thinking of going higher, we may want to retest the breakout zone where price broke out and retested and printed a new low. So I think at the moment, let's uh, let's abide by the ascending trend line. The break of structure on this level to me looks more important, where I look for potential retest to fuel that supply roof. So if price returns at that level, most likely we will have a potential bearish reaction at that level. So this will be our midterm take in a possible upswing based on the data print of Canadian dollar. So we'll monitor it and see what it's going to do. Because but at the moment price is trading below supply. So today is being tested and we're seeing if price will break. Then we'll look at Monday again and see if it's possible to break the structure. But if price cannot break the structure, then ultimately this will continue to come down. And if we find ourselves in that situation, then it becomes very critical that we have a break of structure at this level. This break of structure will be our next line of defense for buying Australian dollar. This will be our last line of defense. So at this level, we will wait patiently to see what Australian dollar is going to do at that level. It is a potential buy zone for Australian dollar. Let's see if we break out from 0.88542, then we could potentially be seeing a further drop into the breakout from this structure will ultimately bring us to this level. Now you see this area was rejected based on institutional demand. So if we break out from this structure, technically price will continue to play down. This is the floor and this is the roof. This is the roof. This is another structure. The supply roof, break of a supply roof, price returns here on demand. So the next demand floor is going to be on this level where we'll see a significant drop of AUD card. So this is where I expect to see price shall be first. And if we're estimating that on daily, then let's look at what 17 will look like. 17 is technically on Friday, right? 17th, 21, 21 is going to be Tuesday. So if we're estimating that we're going to have a very poor CPI data print, or let's say CPI print is in favor of Canadian dollar, and we want to push price down on 21st, We apply a vertical row strategy. Your next buy zone is going to be here. This is where you are going to buy AUD card. So this will be your buy order for AUD card, Xavi FS Hub.